If you're anything like me, you don't understand why the long side of this icon light is not on the side that folds in. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. It's actually really simple to do. We'll just need to remove the little Allen screws here on the body of the light. Looks like there's 6. Yeah, 6. So let's remove those small Allen screws. So there's this longer screw here in the main body. It's the longest one. It has 2 washers. And then if you just push out on the other end, that's the cap. So those 2 go together. This small screw holds the clamshell here. And then there's 2 screws, one here, one on the other side that holds in the bottom of the flashlight, which is actually where the 18650 battery is. And then we'll just work it back and forth. Just like that. There's the cell. And now once we remove the screw here, I guess there's only 2 screws, I believe, that hold on that clamshell. And then I'm just going to remove the battery. So if you just push up and out, that gets rid of the battery. Okay, so this is the current configuration. So all we need to do, as nice as it will be just to flip this whole thing over, the wires prevent us from doing that. So we'll just take off these screws here on the top that hold the LED. There's one. Perfect. So now we'll just flip the light bar. Instead of being like this, we just flip it over like this. For a few minutes, I struggled to align the plastic casing with the LED bar. Come to find out that there were plastic alignment stubs underneath, and the holes did not perfectly match on each side, especially when I got it switched over. So I decided just to break the tabs, since the screws would provide enough holding strength necessary, and the tabs were no longer needed. Much better.